Hi, my name is Alexander. In this video, we will add the NGRX state management update operation to the project that we created in the video Angular 18 and NGRX to have all NGRX CRUD operations. The project will use the latest Angular 19 version. In the next video, we will create a React project with state management, which will have the same UI and functionality as our Angular project with NGRX state management. Because all core concept of NGRX state management, store, reducer, action, selectors, effects, were mentioned in the video Angular 18 and NGRX, to save your time, I will put attention only to update state operation. Let's create a new project under the folder project underscore. The Angular project that we will use was created with no standalone component, so we will create similar project. Check Angular version. Upgrade Angular version to 19. First upgrade Angular version to 18. Upgrade Angular version to 19. Current Angular version is 19. Delete src folder and copy src folder containing the code from the previous project, Angular 18 and NGRX state management. Add all required packages. We received an error, cannot find module Angular dev kit core. Let's install this package. The package installed. Let's repeat installation required NGRX packages. Start application. We received an error that our components are not standalone. It is because Angular 19 makes standalone true the default for components, directives, and pipes. So we have to add standalone false for every component. Let's open Visual Studio Code. Add standalone false property. Start application. Start server-side application. Application started working. Now NGRX state management in our application contains three operations: create, add, delete. We will add NGRX update operation. In order to update the state inside a store, the application needs to dispatch an action. A reducer, also known as pure function, catches this action, performs the update on the state, and returns a new revised and immutable state object. To update the database, we will use effects which subscribe to the action stream to respond to specific action types. Let's create a code for update operation, and after that I will explain the logic provided by this code. On the client side, we have to create update product method and create new NGRX actions, effects, and reducers. Add new actions. Add update product method to products service. Add update products methods to the products component. Add UI for update operation. Button update product is used to dispatch the update product action using injected store service. Add update product method to the products controller on the server side. When product is updated successfully in SQL Server database, the method returns the message product with product ID is updated. In a case of any error, the error message is returned. Add effects for update product operation. And add reducers. Let's look at logic provided by code. In actions, props function defines the payloads, the additional information needed to update the state. For update product action, the payload consists of URL string and product object. For update product success action, the payload consists of update object that implements the update interface from NGRX entity module. For update project failure action, the payload consists of error message. When we press the button Update Product, the product component dispatches Update Product action using injected store service. To the action, we have to add a payload which contains updated product object and URL to update the product in a SQL Server database through the HTTP request to Web API. Effect update product subscribes to the update product action and updates product in SQL Server database using product service. When a SQL Server database is updated successfully, update product effect dispatches update product success action, where we create update product object using the update interface from NGRX entity module. We indicate unique field for the updated product. And in the changes property, we indicate the updated product which we received from the payload of update product action. Reducer subscribes to update object success action and updates the state object through the update1 method of NGRX entity adapter. When update operation finishes, getTotalProductList method is called and the product table in the UI is updated. In the case of any error, update product failure action is dispatched by update product effect. Reducer subscribes to update product failure action and updates error property of the state object with error message. Test application. Start server and client-side application. Press Products. Data source is SQL Server database. Create new product. New product is created. Check SQL Server database. The product with product ID 17 is created. Get product. Product loaded and product table is updated from the application state. Update product. Product updated and products table is updated from the application state. Delete product. Product deleted and products table is updated from the application state. Clear application state. Load product. Product table is updated with the selected product from the SQL Server database, and the state is updated. When we click on computers, products table is updated from the SQL Server database, and state is updated. The cars department is also updated from the SQL Server database. Cafeteria is updated from the state. If you click on computers or cars department, now the product table is updated from application state. To get all products, click Clear State and click Products. Everything works. Let's install ESLint. Install stylistic package for the stylistic rules. Copy eslint.config.mjs file with the rules that we created in the project described in the video, ESLint configuration in Angular application. Add lint ESLint to the scripts section of the package.json file. Start lint. Based on the output, let's fix all errors. I have fixed all errors. Let's start lint. Let's fix the remaining errors. In app component spec, it is not an error. Start lint. We have fixed all the errors, and the remaining error is really not an error. Start application. Application works. That's all what I wanted to show you in this video. If you are enjoying this content and would like to see more and support my channel, please feel free to like this video and hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, have a good day, and bye!